Okay, for the humans who have Photoshop installed at home, you're going to go to Window, Learn, and you've got fundamental skills, which I do want you to go through how to save your images. Just make sure you like read all of their uh, options. But you're going to go to how to fix a photo, and you're going to do like all of these. So bring out colors next, and it tells you where to click and what to do and blah, blah, blah. And you're going to follow all of them. Bring out colors, cool and warm, crop and straighten, lighten and dark, remove small objects. You go down to make creative effects. You can do custom black and white, play with the clone stamp with like duplicating. And then at that point, I think, if you want to do lighting effects or applying a filter, but at that point, you've learned all of the basics. So make sure you go to Window, Learn. Now I've hidden it. So you'll go to Window, Learn. You're going to do fundamental skills, save your images, and you're going to do fix a photo, all of them, all these ones with the florist, and then make creative effects, again, the ones with the florist.